Welcome to Talsa Food Machinery. In this video, I will introduce a new range of universal bowl cutters, choppers, designed to cut and emulsify any kind of meat, mixture, and many other food products. Talsa bowl cutters, choppers are available in different capacities from 15 to 200 liters. In this video, we will present a new entry-level models for small businesses. The table model K15 Neo of 15 liters and the freestanding K allows easy access to add ice, spices, and other additives while the machine is running. K30 Neo knife lid is assisted by a pneumatic piston for easy single-handed opening. Small Talsa cutters are delivered as standard with removable knife head and 3 knives. Optionally can be equipped with 6. Knives are made of high-quality knife steel by 𝐒𝐿𝐺𝐵 Stephens, made in Germany. Knives and bowls start smoothly due to an electronic drive, which also features an automatic overload protection. The combination of robust electric motor and electronic drive permits high efficiency at low energy consumption. The K15 Neo works with single-phase connection, while the stronger K30 Neo requires 3 phases. The robust 7 inches digital touchscreen display is intuitive and easy to use. Big buttons let you select the desired knife speed, variable from 750 to 3000 revolutions per minute, as well as 4-speed preselection buttons. It features programmable automatic stop triggered by temperature limit and/or elapsed time. Elapsed and current time, as well as the current product temperature, are displayed. Food temperature probe is located in the cavity of the lid for precise measurement of the mix during operation. Both cutters comply with international safety standards. The emergency stop button immediately puts the machine in a safe status in case of need. Additionally, if the knife lid is open while the machine is operating, an automatic safeguard stops. Self-adjusting lid bowl friction bar are removable for easy cleaning. Closed machine base prevents access of water or dirt. Large maintenance covers allow